The new YJACK YJACK View app is a free-to-download, non-subscription app that interfaces with the P51 Titan digital manifold and the YJACK series of devices. It is available for iOS and Android smart devices. It enables you to remotely monitor and data log multiple system measurements all at the same time. Upon opening the YJACK View app, you will see a list of available devices that are turned on and within range of your smart device. The Bluetooth ID of each device is listed, along with what type of device it is, their battery level, and any measurements they are currently broadcasting. Before you start any session type, first press the three-dot icon on the top right of the screen and select General Settings. The General Settings screen allows you to select your preferences for units of pressure, temperature, vacuum, and elevation. The YJACK app offers units of measure common in the US and internationally. You can also turn on or off the sound notification and screen lock functions. Once you have selected your desired settings, press the Save button. Now you can select the refrigerant. To do this, press on the three-dot icon again and select Change Refrigerant. There are over 126 different refrigerants to choose from. Press on the desired refrigerant to select it. You can add up to 6 favorite refrigerants by pressing on the star icon, and these always show up at the top of the screen. Press the Save button to save your selection. Finally, you can set your location's elevation. Again, press on the three-dot icon and select Change Elevation. Enter the elevation using the keypad and select Save. Now you're ready to start a session. Ensure the YJACK and P51 870 devices you want to read are turned on and are listed in the available devices screen. If the banner where the serial number is located is blue, the device is connected. If the banner has turned red, it means that the device has disconnected and could be turned off or has moved out of range. Press the icon on the top left of the screen and select your desired session. We are going to start a pressure temperature session. The pressure temperature session allows you to view the system low and high side pressures, system temperatures, saturation temperatures, and system superheat and subcool values. To assign which pressure to display on the reading screen, first press in the center of the low pressure box, and then select the pressure to assign. Now do the same for the high pressure reading. The saturation temperatures will auto-populate once the pressures have been assigned. Now you need to assign the low and high temperatures. Press in the center of the low temp box and assign the low temperature. If you have wired temperature clamps plugged into the back of your P51, select the temperature clamp that is attached to the low side of the system. If you have the YJACK temperature clamp or strap, you can also display the readings right here in the reading screen. Be sure to note you are selecting the correct temperature device by checking the Bluetooth ID. The YJACK temperature clamp and strap use 2 AAA batteries with a battery life of 1200 hours and a Bluetooth signal range of up to 400 feet. Press Save and close. Now assign the high temperature. Once you have assigned the low and high temperature sources, along with the pressure sources, the superheat and subcooling values will auto-populate. By default, the readings are shown in a digital format, but you can change how these values are displayed. By clicking in the center of the pressure, you can change it to either an analog gauge or a line graph. The same can be done with the temperature values. This allows you to configure exactly how you want to view the system measurements. To start a data log during a reading session, press the three-dot icon in the top right and select Create Data Log. Here you can select the logging rate which is how frequently the app will log the system readings from 1 second up to 10 minutes. You can also choose one or multiple sessions to data log, just by selecting them. We are going to choose pressure temperature only. As you can see, a small recording symbol has appeared in the corner of the screen. Press it and start the data log. When you're ready to end the data log session, press the recording icon again to stop the data log. You can either discard the data log or save it. You can then share it via email or save it to your smart device. You can also swap between the different sessions and not lose the session data from the previous session. Another great feature of the YJACK View app. That was the YJACK View pressure temperature session. For more information on the YJACK series of products, visit www.yellowjacket.com.